Hello there. On this video, we'll see the top 10 must-have apps for any Android device. The first one is WPS Office. Just like the Microsoft package in Windows, this is the complete solution for Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and even PDFs for Android. It also supports cloud storage. You can create amazing documents, you can create spreadsheets, presentation, easily share them with many options. Let's see what it can do with PDF. It can actually handle large files easily. You can jump to pages or even search text. There are various zooming levels, and there is a special night mode which will replace all the whites with black and vice versa. You can view or modify document files, which is Word files, and even check them out in mobile viewing mode, a special mode provided which increases the font size. Let me show you the ways you can share a Word file. You have various options after you exit the mobile viewing, such as share as PDF, screenshots, images, and many others. The next tab is Where is my train, which shows your train's location on by date. I mean, if you're already sitting in the train, you can check its live status, and otherwise you can check out how late was train or how early it reached to all the stations. You can check its status by using all the three modes: cell tower, internet, or even GPS if you don't have any network at all in the train. You can see your coach positions before you board the train. You can even use this app to search trains between stations and even see the fares for almost all the possible classes like sleeper, AC, third AC, and all those things. And not only that, you can check your PNR status and the seats availability. I have found it even faster than the IRCTC official site. You can see the dates written on the top, so you can just swipe for next dates so you can easily find which train is available on which date. The next app is Messenger Lite, the Facebook official messenger. This app actually provides all the features of Facebook chat without taking too much storage from your phone. You can see who's online, you can be online, or you can chat with anyone. The chat hat features will not come with it. And let's see the app size. It's actually only around 50 MB and actually less than 50 MB, whereas the original Facebook app goes for around 400 MBs. The size of Facebook app varies on how much you have saved. I have actually low data setting and still it is around 400 MB. Let's see how much it is right now. Here it is. Yeah, 384 MB. You can see it's like almost 6 times. You can have 6 apps instead of this app, and if you have the Facebook Messenger Lite, you can save the storage of almost 5 apps. So the next app we are going to see is Sleepo. Sometimes we get habituated to the sounds in our surrounding. While we are sleeping, we need that sound. And this awesome app can bring the environment in your smartphone itself. You can mix up multiple sounds such as rains, nature and forest, the sounds of birds chirping. You can adjust the volume separately for each of them. And you can mix multiple sounds. Like if you are meditating, you need sound of rain and piano maybe. It's like they have their preset, and I love the one with winter cramping, the sound of wind and the fire burning. I love it. While it's cold outside, you can feel warm by the sounds. And you can mix up to 8 audios, I guess. Yeah, 8 audios, and set a timer up to 8 hours. So you had the nice sleep, and the next step is going to destroy it. Alarmy, it's a sleep destroyer. You can use it as a timer or as an alarm clock. Timer is just simply at the time 5 plus 1 6 or 1 plus 1 2, 2-minute timer. It will ring after 2 minutes. Or else you can add an alarm. You might be wondering now why it isn't top 10. Why it isn't top 10? Because it has some wonderful methods to stop you from sleep, and here, loud ringtones. These ringtones are louder than the regular ones and will really annoy you. Let's see how you can turn off the alarm. The default method means like the regular one, you'll get two options, dismiss and snooze. But the real deal is the take and picture. So if you want to dismiss the alarm, first you need to set a picture while you're setting the alarm. Means while you're creating the alarm, you need to take a picture. Let me create my laptop. This is that. And once you're done and you set the alarm, you can check it right now. If you click on again take on your laptop picture, then only it will be getting disabled. Now let me try it with a wrong picture. What if you wake up and you're not able to take the picture? You will not be able to disable this alarm at all. So if you take the wrong picture, it will be still buzzing you off until you take the right one. And once you have done that, the alarm is disabled. Otherwise, for more simpler option, you can have the shake. You have to shake the phone fixed number of times which you have created. Like right now I'm shaking the phone, or else the math problem. Maybe the math problem will end your oversleeping habits now. So the barcode, I won't really suggest you to do that because it's quite difficult. You cannot have barcodes or QR codes at home, but it might be useful for some case. Anyways, let's go for the next app, Autodesk Pixlr. If you haven't heard of Autodesk, it is the company which created AutoCAD, which is the most used designing software. Anyways, this is the ultimate picture editing app which provides you first of all hundreds and hundreds of filter. The default itself have so many which you regularly use, but it has creative ones and soft, and actually there are so many categories. The categories doesn't even matter. You can have it like Instagram filters, and there are so many. So you can just, if you want, for just simply adding border or like a dirty look to a picture, you can do that with this app. It's a must have app if you are too much into the images. Like if you have bought a phone, if you have spent like some 20,000 for the better camera, you can at least install this app. It will give you much more features than your regular camera app. You can also overlay text above images. You can choose from hundreds of fonts which are already available in the app, or you can download them, and you can choose from hundreds of styles, colors, size, and so many features to edit even in the text, unlike many photo editors will give you. And also, you can just single click auto fix it. Sometimes it works, and you can check by clicking on the top right. It will show the image before and after. And there are various features such as crop, rotate, double exposure, adjustment, blur, and many other. It also provides that certain feature which are only available for desktop users, such as the radial blur. You will not find this radial blur in actually many apps, and this red eye removal. You can just click on the eye and it will remove the reds in them if they have any. And you can create beautiful collage by selecting n number of images. You can select as many as you want. You can change the layout, you can change the image size, you can actually choose border colors, their fillet radius. The app allows you to add, replace, or edit any image at any time. You can select a new image and replace the last one. You can even edit the borders. You can, let me make them 0 and the fillet also 0. You can also edit the image, a single image in the collage itself. Let me just give it a filter. This one, no. Anyways, you can do editing before you save it, and once you save it, this thing will not be changed. This will be a single image which you can share in like Facebook, Instagram, anywhere. Anyways, the next app is Tubemate. You must have already used this app. Tubemate lets you save and share and actually convert YouTube videos, and not only on YouTube but Vimeo, FB, and more popular sites. You can download any video with just one click, and that too in all possible resolutions, including 4K. And it provides actually very high speed, and it works with both data and Wi-Fi. So I have downloaded this Galaxy video. I don't actually need that, but that's the first video I saw on the YouTube right now. So it's downloading, you see. The next app is Musixmatch. It is gonna be the only music player you will use once you see it. It automatically detects the lyrics of a song and syncs them with your current status. I mean, where you are playing live right now. And it will save those lyrics offline. So when next time you are playing a song, you will automatically have the lyrics, the full lyrics of that song. And you can contribute to the translation, or you can find already translated song. Let me check if it have any translation. You can click translations and select the language if it is there. See, it is now in Italian. It's like you will not find this good translation plus this good synchronization anywhere else in this without this player. We just did translation. The next app is all about languages, Duolingo. If you wanna learn some foreign language that too totally free, this app is the best thing you can get. It will teach you so many languages. I mean, you can have all the languages options for free. You can set a goal for first. If you already know that language, like let me try French. The woman, maybe La Fille, no, La Femme. I don't know French, but if you know it, you can just pass the test and see how much you know, how much you don't know, and the app will modify itself according to them. It's actually better if you download it and then see it. I cannot show you very much in that because it will take some time. Last but not the least is Showbox. This app is my current favorite because I have just seen all the episodes of Game of Thrones in it. And you can see not only episodes of TV series but movies, most recent latest movies in HD, 1080 pixel, 4K, and not only just seeing them, you can download them and share it with your friends. You can see Game of Thrones, you can see Family Guy, Rick and Morty, whatever you like. You can just stream them instead of downloading them. So actually this finishes up our list of top 10 apps. Thanks for watching this video. And if you are looking for the links, they are in the description for all the apps, all the 10 apps. You can find them in the description. Goodbye.